Did you know that Nikola Tesla had over 100 patents under his name? He was a maverick scientist and inventor who is still hailed as the father of robotics. So, without further ado, let's unveil the top 10 innovations of Nikola Tesla that changed the tech game. Let's start with alternating current at number 1. Now, many people don't know this, but Tesla didn't actually invent AC. But he played a vital role in making it practical and easier to use. Back in the day, he worked with Thomas Edison to figure out the limitations of direct current, and then he went on to invent the polyphase alternating current system. It included generators, motors, transformers, and he even held 40 US patents for this system. And well, it was George Westinghouse who first recognized the potential and bought Tesla's AC system. And that is when electricity usage first took off in the US and then around the world. On the second spot, we have the Tesla coil. And let me tell you, these coils were no ordinary coils. They emitted electric sparks that shot through the air and created a captivating display of electricity. The cool part is that he placed his famous coils on top of a tower, so every time the sparks danced through the air, it left people in complete awe of it. Coming up at number 3 is Tesla turbine. While most turbines at the time relied on blades, Tesla had a different idea. He created a piston engine where he replaced blades with multiple discs arranged in centrifugal pump. And what made his invention so remarkable was its fuel efficiency. It moved the fluid along with less resistance, which made it super efficient. On top of that, Tesla's design focused on addition rather than friction, so the performance is obviously better than the traditional turbines. Next up, we have the neon lamp at the 4th spot. Tesla took the existing neon light technology and made it even better. His neon lamp allowed for the creation of words and designs, so they were more eye-catching. Fast forward today, and you'll find neon lamps or neon signs as we know it now in bars, cafes, and some people are even putting them up in their homes now for aesthetic value. At number 5 on our list is the Shadowgraph. So the Shadowgraph, aka X-rays, is another one of Tesla's inventions that revolutionized medical imaging. You know how it works by creating detailed images by passing radiation waves through the body to capture a silhouette of the area. Even though the original invention of X-rays is credited to Röntgen, Tesla's improvements made the process even more clearer and more effective. Up next, at the 6th spot, we have the induction motor. And this induction motor is responsible for powering many of our everyday household items, like vacuum cleaners, hair dryers, and even power tools. All of them work by spinning electromagnets and utilize a rotating magnetic field. So, we can enjoy the convenience of various electric appliances that makes our lives easier. At number 7 on our list, we have the magnifying transmitter. So, this magnifying transmitter was a massive and powerful coil, measuring 52 feet in diameter and consisting of 3 coils. It generated millions of volts of electricity and produced impressive lightning bolts that stretched up to 130 feet, making it the largest man-made lighting at the time. Up next is radio-controlled boats at number 8. So Tesla used radio transmission to power the first ever radio-controlled toy boat. With the remote control, you could control its engine, lighting, and even steering. Today, we can see the impact of this technology in drones as they operate using similar radio control systems. Tesla believed that this invention could benefit in potential military operations or even remote combat. On number 9, let's discuss hydroelectric power. Tesla was actually chosen by Niagara Falls Commission to create a special power generator using his alternating power technology. But this groundbreaking technology paved way for the very first power plant, which brought electricity to people all over the world. And even today, hydroelectric power is the best source of clean and renewable energy. And last but not the least, we have the radio at number 10. And as we all know, it is one of the most notable and impactful inventions of all time. Now, you might be surprised to learn that many consider Guglielmo Marconi as the father of radio. But let's not forget about Nikola Tesla and his significant contributions to this groundbreaking technology. Tesla's radio inventions operated using multiple circuits, which made it more powerful and effective compared to Marconi's two-circuit design. Although Marconi initially claimed the earliest patents for the radio, it wasn't until 1943 that those patents were ruled invalid, bringing recognition to Tesla's pioneering work. It won't be wrong to say that radio completely revolutionized communication and entertainment, changing how we connect with each other and access information. From broadcasting news and music to providing a platform for storytelling and cultural exchange, the radio has played a crucial role in shaping our modern world. Even in today's digital age, where we have smartphones and streaming services, the radio remains relevant and continues to serve as a reliable source of news, music, and entertainment for millions of people worldwide. And with that, it's a wrap on our list of 10 of the greatest inventions of Nikola Tesla. Undoubtedly, his contributions have left an undeniable mark on our lives. From his revolutionary work in robotics to the development of alternating current and even X-ray technology, the tech world has so much to thank him for. So, which one of his inventions took you by surprise? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.